Hey everyone! Welcome to Emgotv1, the channel dedicated to all things TV and movies. Today we're diving into the golden age of television, the 1990s. Specifically, we're talking about action shows. These shows broke the mold and proved heroes come in all shapes and sizes. Buckle up as we explore how 90s action shows redefined heroes. Don't forget to subscribe for more TV history deep dives. First up, we're heading down to the Lone Star State with Cordell Walker, everyone's favorite Texas Ranger who could roundhouse kick your TV screen. Walker, Texas Ranger, wasn't just about Chuck Norris's epic martial arts skills. The show featured a diverse cast fighting for justice alongside Walker. James Trevette, Walker's right-hand man, always had a witty remark and backup. The show was about family, loyalty, and Texas charm. Walker, Texas Ranger, showed us that heroes come from all walks of life. Next up, we're stepping into Sunnydale, a town literally sitting on top of a portal to hell, with Buffy Summers, the slayer of vampires and stereotypes. Buffy the Vampire Slayer was a game-changer for female-led action shows. Buffy wasn't just a pretty face. She was a fierce warrior and a loyal friend. Her Scooby Gang was a diverse group of friends who fought alongside her. Buffy the Vampire Slayer wasn't just about fighting demons, it was about challenging norms and showing the world that girls can kick butt. Now we're traveling back in time to ancient Greece with Xena, the warrior princess. Xena was a groundbreaking female action hero, a skilled warrior who fought for redemption and helped those in need. Her war cry was a declaration of power, a symbol of female strength worldwide. Xena celebrated female strength, diversity, and friendship, with epic action and unforgettable adventures. Now we're heading to the sunny streets of Bel-Air, but don't let the laughs fool you. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air tackled serious issues and showcased action-packed moments. It explored themes of race, class, and family dynamics through Will's experiences in a new world. From racial profiling to gang violence, the show tackled tough subjects while delivering laughs and heartwarming moments. Up, up, and away we go with Lois and Clark, the new adventures of Superman. This reboot brought a fresh perspective to the Man of Steel. Dean Cain's Superman was charming, relatable, and a bit awkward, especially with Lois Lane. Terry Hatcher's Lois Lane was strong, independent, and fearless. Lois and Clark embraced diversity, delivering a fun, action-packed show for a new generation. It's Morphin time. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, a cultural phenomenon. Over-the-top action, giant robots, and colorful heroes captivated everyone. Each Ranger's unique skills showed anyone can be a hero. The show taught us teamwork, friendship, and fighting for what's right. Set phases to diversity. Star Trek Deep Space Nine tackled complex social issues, explored war and peace, and featured a diverse cast. Avery Brooks as Captain Sisko was groundbreaking. Sisko was a strong, compassionate leader. The DS9 crew was impressive. DS9 proved science fiction could explore social commentary and push television boundaries. Next up, we're heading to the Golden Gate City with Nash Bridges, the San Francisco cop with a penchant for fast cars and witty banter. Don Johnson brought his signature charm and swagger to the role of Nash Bridges. The dynamic partnership between Nash and Joe Dominguez, played by Cheech Marin, made the show stand out. Nash Bridges celebrated diversity, strong characters, and thrilling car chases across the Golden Gate Bridge. Prepare for espionage and intrigue with La Femme Nikita. This stylish thriller redefined the female action hero. Peta Wilson as Nikita was mesmerizing. A trained assassin, she fought for freedom and battled her conscience. La Femme Nikita proved women could be deadly and compelling in espionage. Last but not least, we have The Pretender, a thrilling and thought-provoking show. Michael T. Weiss starred as Gerard, a genius who could assume any identity. He used his skills to help those in need and expose corruption. The Pretender reminded us that heroes can come from unexpected places. So there you have it, folks. A trip down memory lane to revisit some of the most iconic action shows of the 1990s. These shows proved that action and entertainment could go hand in hand with diversity and inclusivity. From the streets of Los Angeles to the farthest reaches of space, these heroes taught us about courage and compassion. Which of these shows is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more explorations into TV and movie history. See you next time.